Okay, this lesson is on the foldable for solving equations with variables on both sides. This is what your foldable should look like. On the other side, I've got some of the writing started for you, but inside the top I have written this equation that you're going to be solving as you go through this foldable. So the inside flap of number 1 is at a subtraction problem. You have written, if no, go to step 2. If yes, change to an addition sentence, leave change opposite, and go to step 2. To do that, see, I would change my minus signs into addition signs and make it plus the negative. That way maybe everything's a little easier for you to understand. So inside step 2, you go to step 3. If yes, distribute the parentheses and combine like terms. If you look here at number 2, we have our grouping symbols, our parentheses, and like terms that we need to combine. So I distribute, by distributing, I take that 2 times the x, and then the 2 times the negative 4. So I get 2x plus a negative 8, plus a negative 4, equals negative 3x plus 6. And then I do have combining that I need to do. That 2x plus that negative 4x, it's going to give us a negative 2x. And then our plus a negative 8 stays right there. And then the other side, there's no combining to do. Inside flap 3, you should have, if no, go to step 4, but if yes, move them to the left side. Combine, simplify, left side, and then go to step 4. So our step 3, we should be adding 3x to both sides. It didn't matter which way I went. It doesn't matter whether you move it to the left or move it to the right. But, here it says, are the variables on the right side? If so, move them to the left, just to keep a consistency. So when we add the 3x, we get x plus a negative 8 equals 6. Now we're down to a lot more simple looking and something you could understand better. So inside flap 4, it says, is there a number not attached to the variable? If no, go to step 5. If yes, move it to the right side by using the opposite sign, the addition or subtraction. Then go to step 5. So right here we have a negative 8. Well, it's a negative, so we're going to add 8. So whatever you do to one side, do to the other, and we get x equals 14. Now inside flap 5, is there a number attached to the variable? If no, the variable equals a number. You're solved. If yes, if by multiply, then divide, and if divide, then multiply. Right here, it's already x equals a number, so I didn't have to multiply or divide, but some of your equations you may have to. And that's the end of it. You've got all the tools you need now to solve equations.